What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. I believe we worked on destructors in the last video and we completed it, so we're gonna go ahead and move forward. Actually, this was 6 out of 7. Next one's gonna be review. So okay, classes are user defined types. Integer, that's what I'm getting from this, types. Integer, double, but user defined. User defined. They're even how, let's say you were to declare a like int, num1 equals 0. That's how you do classes. So you'll do like song1 and so forth. I believe they have stuff like that. Like you can initialize it pretty much. Okay. So what else? Class members are data attributes and functions inside of a class. Class members, okay, so member functions, member attributes. Creating a new object from a class is called an instantiation. Class members can be designated as either private or public. Let's see if we have an example here. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I said I was gonna make a class. So let's go ahead and do that. I just remembered. So yeah, that's why I went back. Alright, so let's go back to where we have classes here. So we have, okay, I might have to remember it here. Class song, this is a title. And then we bring in the HPP. I don't know if it saves it. Does it save it? Let's try it out. So let's start off with our class. What should we do? Let's do class person, and then we'll do name and stuff like that. Just something to try out. Let's just have it print out one thing. Actually, before I even name the class, let's go ahead and over here we'll do include your class, and then we'll have HPP, just the name of the file pretty much. And then over here we'll do, so class lowercase, uppercase. Well, we're not gonna do song, we're gonna do person. And I'm not sure, I think it's straight into this. I don't know if we have parentheses. Now let's see if it saves it. I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna go back. Hopefully it got that. I can just come back to it. All right, so we have city, we have song, we have some strings in here. Include string. Okay, so let's add string. Oh, yeah, we're gonna add we're gonna have name. So string name. String name. All right. String name and public. Let's just go into the string name. Let's do that first. Let's see if it saved it. std string name. Okay, it did save it. Header file. I don't know what that means. Okay. Oh, you know what? I didn't check for that. Let's, like I said earlier, let's do string name first. So it's std string, and then we'll call it name. Also, I did remember about the string, so include string. Let's figure this out right here. Does it have to have a parentheses or no? Actually, I kind of want to open up a new tab and just have it right here opened on the right side. Okay, so we have a song, so no parentheses. Public. Okay, so song. Okay, so these are the parameters that it's gonna have. We'll do get title, get name. So we have name, get name. Okay, so string. This one, okay. Public. I'm gonna try to remember it because I'm not gonna just copy and paste it. Let's try to use our brain here. It's only one tab back, so okay. So no on this. And then it was public all the way to the left. Public. I think it was a indentation. I'm not sure. STD. String. Right? Or was it parameter? Oh, I don't remember this one. I think on this one it was person. And then we had a parameter. Which in this case we'll just do name for this one. Is it the same thing? I'm not sure. We'll do the same thing for now. And then after the public, so with the space, then we'll do, what's this one gonna be? String? It's a function? Is it a function? I'm not sure. Let's do it like this. Let's do std. And then at the very end, we can do get name. Just like that. We're pretty much just calling it out. Okay, so as far as the class goes, class name, new title. Okay, so new name. New name. Okay. New name. This stays how I have it. STD string. New name. So it is a parameter. It's a variable. Member attribute. Is it what it's called? Normally variable, but in this case, I think it's called a member attribute. Okay. So new name. Now, what happens in the CPP? That part, I don't know. Let's go back. Now we're gonna check on the CPP part. CPP, HPP real quick. Okay, we're good. CPP. So we have, what do we have here? What is this here? Wait, what is this? Why is there a colon here? Why is there a colon? That's kind of weird. Why is there a colon? So again, new title, class name twice. We have song. So for me it'd be person. We're not doing a destructor just yet. Okay, let's do this first. So we're gonna do the member attributes. Let's just call them for what they are, bro. Parameters. We're gonna do the parameters. City name twice. It's kind of like using STD, the standard, in a way, because they have the colons. And then after that, then we're gonna call it. That's kind of weird, but let's just do the first part. Name, and then parameter. Wait, it was forward. I think it just froze on me somehow. Open file. What happened here? Alright, so CPP. So now it's, what is it? Person and parameters. Parameters, they were this one right here. We'll just paste it. So I said I wasn't gonna do pasting, but if it's my own, you know, that I type, then we can paste it. And then I do remember there being a colon, and then it was gonna be, I believe it was a name, and then new name, and then later, actually this one maybe a semicolon. And then for now, I don't remember this clearly, but for now, let's do... Actually, I don't remember. Let's just go back. We're going to look at the second line now. For CPP. Also, there was an indentation. Title, new title, so it'd be name, new name. And then this right here. That's what kind of got me confused. It's a little bit weird. But we can work with that. So let's do it. So just by pressing enter, I should get, never mind. Thought I got an indentation. but we don't. A space, and then we're gonna get one of these here. As far as that goes, and then later on something down here. I'm trying to remember what it was. I believe it was just. Oh, you know what I think it was? We'll check it. We'll double check it. But I think it was double person with separated by colons. And then it was going to be the actual get name. So it would be get name. And then all we would have to do is just return name. Let's see if that's what it actually is though. Let's go back one. Check on the CPP file. Let's see. So we did this here. This one has 2 parameters, so it's a little bit different, but we only have one. So title and then boom. Okay. So it is a little bit different. So std string, and then because that's what we're returning. Std string, and then song once get name. Okay, so std string for sure. Okay, so song once and return. String song once and return. So person std string and return. I think I got it now. Return name. And so now how does new name connect to name? That's what I'm thinking. How does it connect? New name, person. Is it this right here? How does it know it goes to name? Oh, is it this here? Person, new name, name. I think that's what it is. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so now we have, I think I got everything set up. So how do we call it? Okay, so song. So now we bring in HPP again. String. Let's do, actually I don't need IOStream because this one is printing it out right here, but I'm not. So I don't think I need it. So we'll just keep it. Oh no, you know what? I might need HPP. Let's do both HPPs. So for CPP and CPP, we need the HPP. That's a lot of PPs. Okay, let's go with, okay, so we got it here. Now all we need to do is paste it on here. And then we pretty much just, are we going to create the class without the main or with the main? Let's do it on top right here. And then, so it's going to be called person. Then the name of so we'll name it Raul. Name Raul. Let's do a different name just so we know. So we'll do, we'll say header. That's our name. Actually, because it's a string, we need double quotes. I don't know if they're really necessary. Some programming languages you can do double quotes or single. But anyways, okay, so I have it here. Now, maybe all I need to do is let's just go ahead and print it out. Let's see what happens here. Let's do that. Let's see if it prints out or I get an error. Run. Okay, nothing's happening, so we might need to do it manually. Not only will I have to do this manually, but I may have to do this on the next video, bro. We're kind of running out of time here. Well, yeah, we'll continue on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.